What is going on, everybody? My name is Gary B. Jr., and I am here to help you get started with FreeShow. Now, you've probably been using some software in the past that you like for your ministry, and you ran across this program called FreeShow. You found out that it was free. You wanted to try it out, and maybe you've already downloaded it and you're ready to start using it, but you don't really know where to start. This guide is for you. I am here to help you along the way to get started with your very first project, your very first show in FreeShow, so that you can get up and running as quick as possible and make a seamless transition for you and your ministry. Now remember, this is a beginner's guide. This is not a full in-depth guide. This is generally or literally designed to help you get started with FreeShow without any hiccups. So if you're ready to do it, go ahead and click next, and we're going to jump right into this video course and help you get into FreeShow effectively.